Parque Lleras, baby boy. Parque Lleras, 2 a.m. and the scene is still going strong. Women are still going right in the VIP club. As you can see, they're in line outside. So let's get going. ColombiaTips.com offers mansion rental with some of the sexiest tour guides in the city. We have yachts and private helicopters at your service. And of course, you can be guided through the city in your private limo. Enjoy the luxuries of Colombia with ColombiaTips.com. Parque Lleras, 2 a.m. The party's still going strong. They're dropping it like it's hot. This guy's got a cat on his back. These girls are from out of town. I think they said they're from Switzerland or something. And they're still partying strong and they're having a great time. They got the matching shirts on. So I love their energy. They're saying, "What's up, Colombia Tips?" They're a little bit tipsy, and I love that they have that good vibe energy. And that's what you have to come down here to Colombia with, that good vibe energy, bro. It really goes a long way. So in these buses right here, they party big time in these Chivas. They pack in, the cops don't stop. They got the lights, the music going, people are dancing, standing up. They have alcohol beverages. It's off the chain. You gotta give him one of those. ColombiaTips.com offers mansion rental with some of the sexiest tour guides in the city. We have yachts and private helicopters at your service. And of course, you can be guided through the city in your private limo. Enjoy the luxuries of Colombia with ColombiaTips.com. So we're right here in Parque Lleras again, and the scene is still lit. It's like 3:30, maybe 3:15 in the morning. People are going crazy. There's ladies, all types of flavors, dark ones, light ones, short ones. I even seen a midget over here. I'm not even kidding. And then there's an old lady. This is the oldest lady. I'm gonna try to find her in the video. She's like 68 or years. She's still doing her thing on the streets, and she's still trying to keep it together too. And evidently somebody's knocking it down. So you never know. Anyways, let's take a look at these ladies here in Parque Lleras.
ColombiaTips.com is the only site where you can chat and meet in person some of the sexiest women in Colombia. These sexy ladies can safely guide you through the city and Colombia's nightlife. You can feel safe knowing every girl has been verified with passport, state identification, and home address. ColombiaTips.com, your sexy companion awaits.
ColombiaTips.com. Man, I cannot believe it. It's almost 3:30 in the morning. They're still in line to get in the club. The cops are starting to come up, as you can see, but they're still looking good, feeling good. As the Colombians party till 3, 4, 5 in the morning. There's an after-hours club called 7. You have to take the Shiva, that little bus, over to Itegay, which is like 15, 20 minutes. But it's an after-hours joint. So, man, so you guys definitely make sure you hit that subscription button, like button, notification button. I got the new 4K camera, so we're going big, deep HD video for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. ColombiaTips.com offers mansion rental with some of the sexiest tour guides in the city. We have yachts and private helicopters at your service. And of course, you can be guided through the city in your private limo. Enjoy the luxuries of Colombia with ColombiaTips.com.